I'm Bethany, and that's Drew.
We consider ourselves explorers, but not necessarily paranormal investigators.
But sometimes we'll come across some strange, spooky, and surreal places.
Today we're in Pasadena to explore a place that's rumored to be a gateway to hell.
And no, it's not a Starbucks at 8 in the morning.
It's the Devil's Gate Dam, coming up on Oddity Odysseys.
Careful, bikers.
Oh, I'll get them. I'm gonna get them. Get those bikers.
I think you overpacked on the flashlights.
Not possible. You can never have too many flashlights. Especially where we're going. You get the other one that's in there?
Well, like this isn't enough.
There's another bag in the trunk.
Yeah, great. Okay, so if we don't use all these lights, we can just throw one of these at something that scares us.
We're heading to Devil's Gate Dam, which is right off the 210 freeway in Pasadena between the Berkshire exit and the Windsor exit. Today we're getting off at Windsor, taking that north a couple blocks, and then left on La Cañada Verdugo Road. If we follow that to the end, we should arrive at the dam. I don't think we can park anywhere near here.
Yeah, so we might have to walk a little bit.
This is where we want to go, though. This is the entrance, I believe.
Unauthorized vehicles prohibited.
I think that includes us. So we're actually in a pretty residential area of Pasadena, but right over here is a 25-mile-long stream called the Arroyo Seco, which I believe means dry stream in Spanish. Although the Arroyo Seco sometimes has a decent flow of water running through it, when the settlers arrived here, it was the least amount of water they'd ever seen in a canyon before. So that's where it got the name.
But why the name Devil's Gate Dam?
Oh, well, we can discuss that after we get closer to the mouth of hell. I mean, the dam. So this dam was built in the 1920s, and it was actually the first flood control dam in Los Angeles County. Pretty cool. Oh, you can see JPL over there, Jet Propulsion Laboratory. It's actually an interesting part of the story. Jack Parsons, who's the founder of JPL and also a follower of L. Ron Hubbard, is going to be integral to our story later on. So keep that name in mind.
The plot thickens.
So I guess the big question now is, how do we get down below?
Try going down here. An opening.
A tunnel just for us.
According to historical accounts, it's believed the Arroyo Seco is the birthplace of Pasadena. And the rapids that used to flow through here ran through in a way we could almost hear a laughing sound.
Huh.
The locals thought this was due to the friendship between the river and the coyote spirit.
That still doesn't explain the dam's name.
Do you hear any flowing rapids?
Nope, no rapids and no laughing.
Oh.
I'm not laughing either. I want to know where this place is. You see it?
The entrance to hell? No, not yet.
I don't know. I mean, none of this really looks like hell.
You kind of look like hell.
Oh, thanks. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I love you too.
Well, I sure hope we don't disappear.
Oh yeah, I heard there's a story from 1956 about two kids that were biking down here and just vanished without a trace.
And there was someone named Tommy Bowman who disappeared in 1957 when he was hiking with his family.
Well, that was just a year after that. Bruce Kremen is another one. I think he disappeared in 1960 around here somewhere.
Sketchy.
Yeah, so here's hoping that doesn't happen to us. These rocks are so sharp, I'm glad we got a stabilized camera.
Yeah, this is tricky. Like a clearing over here.
Oh yeah, what's through there?
I see a face.
Oh yeah, there it is.
But wait, it's like a profile, isn't it?
Yeah,
That's supposed to be the devil's face.
that's the devil's face, yeah. But where's the gate?
It just got really cold down here.
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
How the heck are we supposed to get over there?
Well, can you jump to that rock? It looks pretty shallow to me.
Yeah, but nothing's stable.
That's true. We need something stable to stand on. Wait here.
All right, just be here with the devil. That's cool.
Stand back.
Oh, gross.
Yeah, that didn't quite turn out the way I thought it would. We could just try more rocks, maybe make like a pile of them. How deep is it?
It's still going.
Oh my God.
It's still going.
Oh boy. So we would have to like swim through this.
Yeah, and probably get 5 diseases each. I'm afraid his body's gonna come floating out.
How else are we gonna get over
Well,
there?
while you were looking for a rock, I actually saw that there's a ladder to the right of the gate over there.
Oh, there sure is.
Were you gonna climb all the way across that?
No. I wonder how you get to that ladder then.
As you have to go back to the top?
Yeah, I mean, this is clearly a dead end.
Back up the rock. No.
Locked?
Yeah.
Well, good thing we can go around this fence.
Not too much barred off here, you just have to walk around.
This may or may not be trespassing, so we don't recommend you try this.
Why do I feel like it's only gonna get more difficult?
Oh, I can't imagine why you'd be feeling
That
that.
was too easy.
Well, we gotta go down these steps, I guess. Oh, nice. It looks like it's unlocked. After you.
That's nice and steep.
Oh, yeah.
Why do I always have to go first?
Oh, look at this.
Better than having to climb.
This isn't half as difficult as I expected. You're doing so great.
I'm gonna throw up.
All right.
So,
We're halfway.
yeah, there's another ladder.
Yeah.
A little bit of oddities trivia. I have a huge fear of heights. So,
Which
I'm
is why we're
trying
here.
to not throw up right now.
Overcoming our fears.
This ladder is very steep, the second one. Did you bring the gloves by any chance?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so steep. Looking down, looking down. Yeah, the gloves make it a little easier. My hands all slippery with sweat and fear.
And we are at the gate. All right. So this is it.
Are there people in there? Can you hear people in there?
I do hear voices in there. Oh, wait. Is that us? I think that's us.
What?
That's our
creepy,
voices
yeah.
we're hearing. No, check this out.
Hello? Yeah, that's creepy.
I guess we gotta figure out how to climb this, like through there, you think?
I think it's the only spot big enough.
God, why did we have to have those extra cheeseburgers today? Oh man. This is really scary. Okay, I'm through. I hope you have an easier time than I do. That's it. I'm in hell.
Aw, bye.
It's pretty creepy in here, gotta say. There you go. Let's go.
So this is just one of dozens of places around the world that's said to be an entrance to hell.
Oh yeah, what are some of the others?
Well, there's the 7 gates of hell in Pelham Township, Pennsylvania, St. Patrick's Purgatory in Ireland, Pluto's Gate in Turkey, and the Darvaza gas crater in Turkmenistan.
Okay, but none of those places we could drive to today.
No, this one's gonna have to make do.
This is it. So these must be just like big floodgates. So when the Arroyo Seco does fill up with water, they open these to control the flooding. Thank goodness it's dry today. Is this one the same?
I mean, different paintings, but yes.
I'm glad somebody put Jesus down here. That's what this place needs. You know, people have believed so strongly that this was a gate to hell that there's been like occult rituals held down here.
Satanic rituals.
Right, led by Jack Parsons. He was a little crazy, but he founded JPL.
There's that connection.
That's the connection.
Something happened, there's like slides in and over, like in Indiana Jones.
That would be really cool. How far would you say this is? It's only about like, that's only like 500 or 600 feet. It's not very far.
Yeah, it's not as deep as I thought it would be.
Yeah.
But it makes sense because we could hear our echoes.
Yeah, it goes straight back against that flat wall and bounces straight back to us. That's why it sounds like there's voices coming from this place.
But I imagine when people were first checking it out and they heard that, they thought it was other people.
They probably thought it was the devil.
I thought it was other people.
Yeah, yeah, it fooled us too.
I'm still not convinced. So an entrance to hell, or just a spooky dam. Regardless of the legends of some and reality of others, the Devil's Gate Dam is an important staple in Pasadena history.
Fortunately, we made it out safe and sound. Unfortunately, we cannot recommend that you come see this place for yourself because it is technically trespassing.
Yeah, but maybe try out a more lively and fun flood control area like the Great Wall of LA.
That's a good one. For more information on that, visit our website, oddityodyssey.com.
I think I left my flashlight in there.
Well, you're gonna have to go get it.
Nope. See you guys next time.
Okay, I'll go get it. But right over here is a 25-mile long river called the Arroyo Seco, which in Spanish I believe means dry stream.
What in the world?
And whoa.
Oh, that's a lot of lots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 locks to hold this barrier closed.
The pole is safe.
Quite secure.
I'm sorry, what were you saying?
Dry stream. Let's go.
Ah, right.